Hey guys, so in today's video we are gonna learn how to make a restaurant menu card in Illustrator. So when you make a new file, make the size of your document as 8.5 into 11 inches and make the number of artboards 2 and make the color mode CMYK. That's the color mode we use when we make anything for printing purpose. I already chose a white brick background for my menu card. When you want to align anything in Illustrator, you can simply align your object by choosing the different align settings from the control panel from the top. Now I'm gonna lock this background. Now it'll be easy to work as it won't be moving around. Now I'm starting to type the text for the menu card. When it comes to designing menu cards, bold typography is always good. Typography is something that can serve as your main art element, and the text that you type should be easily readable. Mention the details of your restaurant like phone number, website, and so on. Now that I've adjusted my text, I'm gonna add the contact icons below the website at the bottom. I downloaded all these vectors from freepik.com. This site has a great variety of vectors and photos that you can use in your designs. Now I want to place a picture of some food in the center. I'm gonna align it and make it a little bigger. So this is all looking a bit plain to me, so I'm gonna make some random shape with the pen tool to add a little bit of a design element. Now I'm gonna duplicate this shape by holding Alt and dragging. I'm gonna right click, go to transform, reflect and select vertical reflect and OK. Again I'm gonna reflect this, but this time I'm selecting horizontal reflect. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl A and select all the objects and right click and select group, or just press Ctrl G. Now I'm making a white box of the same size, that is 8.5 into 11 inches. I'm gonna place it on top of the menu and drag and select both the things, and then right click and select make clipping mask. The purpose of clipping mask is to keep all the contents of the menu inside that box. This option helps us to hide the unwanted contents without actually deleting them. Now for the other side of the menu, I'm gonna copy this, right click and select release clipping mask, and now I'll delete the things that I don't want. I just need the background, so I'm gonna group the background and reflect it vertically. Now for typing the food items, I'm dragging and making a text box. and I'll be opening my tabs panel. If you don't have the tabs panel showing, just go to Window, Type and select Tabs, or simply press Shift plus Control plus T. Now I want to type the food rates in front of the food items. So for this, I'm gonna set tabs so that I don't have to press space so much after typing every food item. Now here in the tabs panel, just click where you want to set your tab. I want the food rates here, so I'm gonna click just right here on the tabs panel. Now after typing the food name, I can just press tab on my keyboard and then I can type the food rates. And if you want to edit this tab position, then just click before the text and press Ctrl A and just slide the arrow showing in the tabs panel to set the position of the text. If you want to increase or decrease the spacing between these lines, just press Ctrl A and select all of the text in the text box and press Ctrl T to open your character panel. And here you can set the leading, you can increase it or decrease it. Now I'm gonna copy and make the rest of the layout. Now that I've typed all the content here, I'm gonna make a thin line from the rectangle tool to use it as a partition between these text boxes. After aligning and arranging all the text, I'm going to add a picture of some food here. I'm gonna copy them and paste them here. And I'm gonna arrange it accordingly. Now the last step is to select all the contents and group them together and make a white box and clip the content in it. Select both the objects, right click and select make clipping mask. So that was the whole process of how you can make a menu card in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.